Hi, I hope everyone is safe and well upon watching this video. I have these two Raspberry Pi and I will build a personal VPN server. Likewise, I will share this video as a tutorial of step-by-step building and configuring a Linux VPN server. Before we start, let me tell you some of the key benefits why you need to have your own VPN server. Where in fact, there's a lot of free VPN available in the internet. Well, I have one and simple answer, but indeed relevant for my own interest. And maybe we have a common interest why we need to build our personal VPN server. I don't trust a third-party VPN services. I don't like my personal information, my user ID, password, get compromised in the future. I don't know the integrity of those third-party VPN services. I or you don't like someone watching over you. You don't like other users having a direct access to your network and resources. Having a personal VPN reduces the risk of your laptop being infected with viruses. I believe you are keeping a terabytes of your collected videos and photos of your family. Those memories you want to show your children when you grow old. You don't like to waste all those treasures. For me, those reasons are enough why I need to build my own VPN services. So right here on my table are two sets of RPi4. We will configure this one as the openVPN server, and on my right will be the certificate of authority server. Okay, so what are the things we need for us to assemble this server? So we need the Ethernet cable. Supposedly we will use this Pi switch and the 5 volts supply. So this Pi switch and the 5 volt supply, supposedly this must be plugged here in our USB Type-C port, but we want to reduce the number of cables propagating in our network. So let us remove this Pi switch. Instead, let us use this PoE hat hardware. Okay, this PoE hat is power over Ethernet. This will eliminate the 5 volts plug in our USB Type-C. Instead, it will draw the current, the power from the Ethernet cable. We just need to plug it here in our GPIO. Simple as that. And let us plug our cooling fan. So there are indicators. There are labels here which one is 5 volts and which one is ground. So the red cable must be plugged in the 5 volts, and the black cable, the black pin, should be plugged in our ground. Let's put the cover. Same thing here. Alright. So with Ethernet cable, you will see directly it will power up. It can boot our hardware. Alright. The pan is working. we boot our hardware, first we need to flash this SD card with our Ubuntu, with our Linux Ubuntu installation, right? So I will show you the download and the installation or flashing of this SD card. Alright, so on this tab, we're going to download Linux installation file and Etcher, our utility for writing image files. So using Google Chrome, let us download Etcher. So select this one, Belen Etcher. And this green button, download for Windows. Simply click that one. While downloading this Etcher, we can also download simultaneously our image file. Ubuntu. Download for Raspberry Pi. Alright, the first link, select and click that hyperlink, and from download menu, select Raspberry Pi 2, 3, or 4 and scroll it down. You will see Ubuntu Server 20.04 64-bit under Raspberry Pi 4 column. Select and click. Alright, so it will take how many minutes to complete the download? So 6 minutes. Alright, let's resume our recording once the download is completed. Alright, so after we complete the download, we can immediately start flashing our image file down to our SD card. Alright, so we're almost done with the download. Alright, so these are our downloaded files, and next step is to double click Belen Etcher. And from this license agreement page, just click I agree. And this page will show the main program of the Etcher. Alright, so next step is click this button, flash from file. Alright, so this is our image file that we need to flash into our SD card. Select this file that we downloaded earlier and select target, this button. Alright, let us plug our SD card. There you go. Simply click this one and select this button and just click flash. Alright, so it's 94% complete. Alright, this is our first SD card for our openVPN. So let us flash the next SD card. Simply click this button, flash another one, and let us select the target. Plug again the second SD card. There you go. Just simply select this one and click select button and select the flash button. there you go, flash complete. Right, so the next step will be the first cold boot of our hardware. Right, so let's go there.